again to my channel. So in this video I want to share with you guys how to edit your Instagram makeup tutorial using CapCut. So if you want to see that, then keep watching. So first of all, I would like to select the application I'm gonna use. Then I import all my videos, my makeup videos that I filmed. Then after that, I go ahead with selecting the sizes. Okay, so I make sure that it matches Instagram, format. Then I make sure that I select the interesting points, like the points where I'm using the product or showing you guys the product. So there is no need for me to put all the details of how I went ahead to be blending, because that would be making the video so boring. So the next thing I will do again is make sure that I select the interesting part. So after that, then I select where I'm making, putting my concealer. And even if it's where I'm blending only one side of the concealer, that will make a whole lot of sense for people to watch, to understand, to know how I actually achieve it. So that's basically what I'm doing at this very moment. This way, I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. So once I arrive at the ending part, okay, I'm done selecting, then I start with the transition, adding transition that matches. Then and also to make sure that the other formats are in a good position too. So I make sure that I add the transitions that I really like, that I think, because CapCut has a beautiful transitions that you would really like when it comes to your tutorial. So transitions depends on the kind of things that you really need. So at the middle of the videos, I make sure that I put transitions, like maybe where I'm showing the product, where I'm applying it. So I make sure they all have their transitions in there. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. And of course, as soon as I control everything and everything is fine, so the next thing I'm going to do is to look for music, check the right track for my video. So as soon as I got one, I go ahead and add it, make sure that I trim all of them. Then after that, I play it to see how it is. Then I go ahead to export it into my phone. Then I go ahead and play it. I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I... And here you that's basically all I do to achieve my editing my makeup tutorial. So if you really like it, please don't forget to subscribe. Watch out for the next one, how to edit with video link. Please don't forget to subscribe in the down below here, and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Remain blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye.